I'm first using this primer. This is the Touche Eclat Perfector. It's in this wax form, and what it does is just it smoothens out your skin, and it also fills in the pores. I really enjoy this product. It doesn't dry out my skin, and I don't find it clogging my pores. Now my skin feels like a baby's butt. Now that we have primer on, I'm gonna use the ColourPop No Filter Foundation. I'm gonna do 1 pump of that. And I'm gonna use a beauty blender or like a beauty sponge. This one is from Real Techniques to blend the foundation. I got really pale over the winter, so now this foundation just matches me pretty well. I like how this foundation doesn't really give a very full coverage finish. However, it does balances out the skin tone and makes your skin look like skin, even though you have applied foundation on. Now I'm using my favorite concealer. This is the NARS Soft Matte Complete Concealer. My shade is in Canal, and I'm just gonna be concealing the dark circles. I'm also gonna be concealing the pimple that I have here. This pimple has been following me around for 2 weeks now. I'm also priming my eyelids. Now I'm using the powder for room. My skin is really dry actually in the winter time, so I'm only setting the under eyes. So yeah. And then I'm using a brush to sort of wipe that away. This way it also just brightens up the under eye area. Oh, it feels really smooth now. I wish you guys can touch my face right now. It's super smooth. Now I'm gonna do the brows. As always, I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil. Yes, you guessed it. I'm using the Skin Food Eyebrow Powder to set my brows. So for today's look, I'm going for a golden hour theme, so kind of like goldish makeup. First, going to use the Misha Ital Prism eyeshadow. Taking that on a blending brush. This is the Sigma Diffused Crease E38 brush, and just apply that all over the lid. And then I'm taking the Sigma Tapered Blending Brush E40 and blend everything. This brush just makes all the eyeshadow to be blended very smoothly. Sometimes eyeshadow can look a bit patchy. Okay, and then I'm just taking the same color again on a more tapered brush. This is the Sigma Eye Shading Brush in E55. I'm just taking that and swipe that all over the eyelid. I'm focusing this color very near to the lash line, just making sure it covers all the entire eyelid. And then I'm taking a blending brush again and blend that to the crease. And then I'm just taking the same color again and apply that to the outer lower lash line. Now I'm using the Anastasia Modern Renaissance eyeshadow palette, and I am taking Burnt Orange and using a blending brush. I'm applying that to the crease just to give this look a bit orange. And then once again taking a very big blending fluffy clean brush to blend all the colors. Now I'm taking a detailing brush and I'm using Cypress Amber from the Anastasia palette, and I'm applying that to the lower lash line. And see how I am extending that out horizontally instead of going upwards. Okay, and then I'm taking that on the upper lash line and I'm gonna be creating a wing using that. That's the situation. Okay, now I'm using Primavera from the palette, which is a gold shimmery color, and I'm gonna apply that at the center of the eyelid. And then I'm just also taking that to the inner corners. And that's it for the eyes. And I'm just gonna curl my lashes and apply mascara. mascara is everything. Alrighty. Now I'm gonna be using the Benefit Hoola bronzer. For this golden hour makeup, I want something warmer for the face. And then I'm using this Endo Stories eyebrow powder to contour my nose. I'm using this eyebrow powder to contour my nose because it's the perfect shade. It isn't too orange or too brown, and it just looks really natural on the face. Now for blush, I'm first using this Becca blush in Wild Honey. It's a very warm toned blush. It sort of looks like a bronzer and everything. This is also really pigmented, so you have to be careful applying that. I'm gonna concentrate that on the outer sides of the cheeks. And then I'm using another blush. This is the ColourPop blush in Drop of a Hat. And this is a beautiful shimmery orangish blush. And I'm gonna concentrate that on the apples of my cheeks. And I'm taking a slightly smaller brush. This one is from ColourPop as well. For highlighter, I'll be taking For highlight, I'll be taking the DIOR Nude Air Luminizer in the shade 001. If you guys have a golder highlighter, definitely choose that. I don't have any goldish. I'm taking the Sigma High Cheekbone Highlighting Brush F03 and I'm applying a little bit of Fix Plus on it. And then I'm just swiping that, and in circle motions, I'm gonna apply that to the cheekbone. Bring that to the brow bone. Cannot forget the nose. For lips, I'm gonna be mixing two lip products. I'm first using the 3CE lipstick in the shade 116. It's called Inked Heart. And I'm using this as a base for the lips. And then I'm using a Mimi TikTok lipstick in the shade Mahogany Satin. It's a super cute packaging. It has a heart shape. And I'm gonna be applying this on the center. And then blending with the fingers. Lastly, I'm just gonna be using Fix Plus again to set all the makeup. And we are done. Hot and soft and sweet, and when your smile hits your bright blue eyes, my heart forgets. So guys, all enjoyed this makeup look, and I will see you guys on my next video. On the highway, we can drive all night to the beach while the skies are as dark as